In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate data in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel, and then open the worksheet that contains the data you want to clean up. This could be a list of names, email records, product entries, or any table where repeated values may have been entered more than once. Before making changes, it's always a good idea to quickly look over your data so you understand what you're working with. Next, select the range of data you want Excel to check for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the cells you want to include. If your data is already organized as a table or a continuous data set, you can also simply click any cell inside that data range and Excel will usually detect the full table for you. This step matters because Excel will only scan the area you select. Once your data is selected, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab includes several tools designed to help you sort, filter, and clean your spreadsheet, including the feature we need for this task. In the Data Tools section, click Remove Duplicates. As soon as you do that, a dialog box will appear. This window lets you decide exactly how Excel should identify duplicate entries. You'll see a list of the columns in your selected data range, and this is where you choose what Excel should compare. If you want Excel to remove rows that are completely identical, choose All Columns. This tells Excel to do a full comparison across the entire row. If you only want to check for duplicates based on certain fields, such as one column instead of the whole row, you can uncheck the columns you don't want included. This is especially helpful when some repeated values are normal, but complete or specific duplicate records are not. After choosing the columns you want Excel to evaluate, click OK. Excel will then remove the duplicate rows automatically while keeping the first occurrence of each matching entry. This means the earliest version stays in place, and any repeated versions that match your selected criteria are deleted. When the process is complete, Excel will display a message